The kitten seems to be very interested in the bird standing on the bottle mouth. It stretched out its claws and gently touched the bird's body. The bird wasn't scared, standing there motionless. The two animals were stuck there. It's really cozy. The kitten seems to be very interested in the bird standing on the bottle mouth. It stretched out its claws and gently touched the bird's body. The bird wasn't scared, standing there motionless. The two animals were stuck there. It's really cozy. Kitten hiding on the windowsill behind the sofa. The master raised the cane and extended it, while to tease the cat. The kitten raised its paw and patted the cane, then it went back. Seems to sense the master has returned. The kitten immediately ran out of the room, greeting the host. It seems to be wondering if the owner has brought back some delicious food. This cat is so naughty, climbed up the Christmas tree. Almost reached the top, the Christmas tree fell down. The kitten also fell down. Fortunately, no one was injured. Two cute little yellow cats playing. The little gray cat next to him might be trying to stop the fight. Join the battlefield, being hugged and beaten by one of the little yellow cats. Why is the little yellow cat so curious, seeing the big black cat's tail swaying from side to side? The little yellow cat wants to catch the big black cat's tail, but it just can't catch. The owner is playing bubbles, preparing to make cake. Kitten standing by and looking at, it's exciting. If the owner knows that he has made a cake, he will definitely give it a portion.